A very happy morning, children. Today we are going to discuss a different way of representing number. In our earlier videos, we have discussed about Indian place value chart, which is being followed in India. Generally, we call the terms lakhs, crores, thousands. These words are generally used in India when we are talking about money. But this system is not followed in other countries. They are following a different way of representing numbers, and today we are going to discuss about it. If we talk about US or Britain, generally they are following another way. So today we are going to discuss what type of chart or what type of representation they are using. First of all, I am just going to recapitulate a little bit about Indian place value chart. I hope you remember what we have done. I am just revising you the topic. In Indian place value chart, we have actually formed 4 different periods, and the periods were further divided into places. Like first period, it was of ones, which was further divided into 3 places. Then the next period was of 1000. It was divided into 2 places. Then lakhs, again it was divided into 2 places, and crore, it was again divided into 2 places. Now I am going to use that pattern only, and whatever change we have to do in case of international place value chart, that I want to make you clear, so that you can easily understand how we are going to prepare international place value chart. Okay. Now, first of all, just see to it, in the same way we have done in Indian place value chart, we have created 2 different rows, one for periods and another one is for places. Now, come for the periods. What we have done in Indian place value chart, first period was of ones. It was divided into 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. Isn't it? After ones, the next period which we have formed was of thousands. So let us write here thousands. Obviously ones period, then thousands period, and what we have done, first 1000, 10,000. Only 2 were there. Na? Afterwards what we are writing? We are writing lakhs period, but here is the change which we will see in international place value chart. What we have to do, we have written 1000 just similarly, just like the Indian place value chart, and 10,000 also we will write, but instead of lakh they write 100,000. What I have said, instead of lakh they are writing 100,000. So H for 100 and TH for 1000. So what we are doing here, we are preparing the next place, that is for 100,000. Now next one which we have to do is for the next period. Now just see what change we have to do. 1000 periods, we have prepared 3 places. Now we have to discuss for, actually this is your millions period. So from here we are going to make the change. One thing you have seen, instead of lakh we have written 100,000 now. It means that 1 lakh equals to 100,000. So we are getting few information from here also. You have to just note it down. 1 lakh equals to 100,000. Now after 1000 period, the next period which we are going to form in international place value chart, the period is known as millions. Next they are using millions. They are not using lakhs, they are not using crores, they are using millions. Now this million period is again divided into 3 places. So you can see one thing, every period in international place value chart is divided in 3 places. Here we have seen three places, ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands also we have seen, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and same way millions also we are going to write down. That means first will be million, then 10 million, and last one will be 100 million. Million, 10 million and 100 million. Now you just compare it with Indian place value chart. Here we were writing lakh. So what we have got, 1 lakh equals to 100,000. What we should write here? After lakh, the next place will be of what? Obviously 10 lakhs. But we have written here million. That means one more information what we got, that is 1 million equals to 10 lakh. 1 million equals to 10 lakh. Now come to the next one. After 10 lakh, the next place we write, that is for crore, but they have written 10 million. So one more information we got, 10 million equals to 1 crore. Just I am comparing it with the Indian place value chart and we are getting a lot of information. And lastly, after crore, in Indian place value chart we write 10 crore, but here what we have to do, instead of that we have seen 100 million. So it will be 100 million equals to what? 10 crore. So what we have seen here, with the help of this international place value chart, we are able to compare it with Indian place value chart. So this is the actual format of international place value chart. What we have prepared? We have prepared only three periods. Remember, in Indian place value chart we have prepared 4 periods. International place value chart we are having 3 periods. Here all the periods are divided into 3 places. Whereas in Indian place value chart, first period was divided into 3 places, second period 2 places, third period which was of lakh 2 places, and fourth period crore was again divided into 2 places. Now I am going to tell you how you are going to insert the number and how you are going to pronounce it. For example, the first number what I am writing is 7264359 So I have written one number here, and the same way we were inserting in Indian place value chart, the same work we are going to do here. So what we were doing there, we were inserting the numbers from the back side, and here also we are going to follow the same process. That means the last digit will be recorded first and it will be done from the back side. So let's see, 8 is the last digit. So first of all we will write here 8. The next one is 9. So we will write here 9. Next one is 5. So in place of 100 we will write 5. Then 3. So in place of 1000 we will write 3. Then 4. In place of 10,000 we will write 4. Then 6. In place of 100,000 we will write it 6. Then 2. So in place of million we will write 2. And then 7. So in place of 10 million we are going to write 7. Now the question comes, how to write the number name if we have to follow the international system. How to write the number name? The same way which we were following in Indian place value chart, the same way we have to remember it and write it. That means we are going to group the numbers together, and the grouping should be done on the basis of periods. So here millions period, these two numbers are there. So we are going to group the numbers together. So 7 and 2 will be said as 72. So what we will call it? 72 million. Remember? Now come to the next one. The next period is 1000. So you can see 3 numbers are there. Actually 3 digits are there. So we are going to group all the three digits together. So 643, if we call it together, it will be 643. Just look at this part, don't distract with any other part, okay? So it will be 643. So what we will write? 643,000. And the last one is 598. We never say ones at the last of the ones period. So what we have got? 72,643,598. Okay, so this way we have understood how to prepare the international place value chart, how to insert numbers, and lastly I am going to show you what will be the number name. I am just going to write down the answer here. So what we have got? 72 million. Okay, then 643. We are going to say all these numbers together and it will be 643, and this belongs to thousands period, so that is why we are going to write here 1000. Don't write thousands, okay, 1000. And lastly 598, this period is 1, so together we are going to write, it will be 598. Okay, so this way we have understood what to do with international place value chart, how to prepare, how to insert, and how to write the number name according to international place value chart. I hope the concept is clear to you, and by following this particular way you can prepare international place value chart, you can insert the numbers as well as you can write the number name. Okay, thank you so much children, have a nice day.